show you how crazy we are. It's raining, it's cold. We have the remnants of a hurricane passing over right now, and here we are at a dog show. This is Apple. Apple, say hello. We're going to be showing Apple and Jamba and Bella. So let's hope it was worth getting wet. See what happens. All right, well, in this little soggy atmosphere here, actually, it turned out pretty well. Apple got winners and best of opposite sex. That's going to be good for 2 points for her in the AKC. Bella, against a field of 5 other little girls, actually, I should say bigger girls, older girls, she beat all the others and got reserve winners. So that was the first of 4 shows this weekend. Not a bad showing for our girls. Well, we just finished the second show of this lovely, icky, rainy weekend, although right now the rain stopped. Anyway, this afternoon's show was a bit different from the other one because this afternoon it was the turn of Jamba. Jamba, the good boy. Jamba won winner's dog. Best of winners, which means he beat all the girls. And best of breed. Very prestigious. So, good boy, Jam. Way to go. 2 more points in AKC. Very good boy. So we got here first thing in the morning because the Cavaliers are on at 8 o'clock. And we had to be here early. It's now about 7:30. And we have a little wind, which is left over from the hurricane that decimated Florida. And you'll notice it kind of did a job on the tents here. So we're obviously not going to start at 8 o'clock. Now we're getting some bigger gusts of wind now. The rest of the tent might come down for all we know. I'm not sure we're going to have this dog show today, but we're hanging around. Well, we got the tent company guys on the job here. Not sure exactly what they're doing. Looks like they're maybe taking this tent down, so I'm not sure what's happening. Well, in the windstorm with no tent, we went into the ring, and the boys were first, and Jamba took winners. Then the girls went in. Bella won her class, but then against all the older girls, Bella took winners. We went back in at the end. Jamba took best of winners, which means he beat all the girls, and best of breed, which means he beat all the Cavaliers. And Bella was best of opposite sex. Yes, very good. So we had a nice day here in the wind and no tent. Yummy, yummy. Well, somehow they actually got the last dog show in. Turned out that we did not get any rain. So even without tents, we were able to finish. And it was another good show for our girls and boys. Again, Jamba took winner's dog, and Bella again took winners for the girls, and then Jamba went best of breed. It wasn't Apple's day today, but she had a nice day yesterday. So we're on our way home, and I think we are thoroughly exhausted right now. But it was fun.